Samsung has already created ripples in 2025 with the release of the Galaxy S25 series and cutting-edge Galaxy Z foldables. But if you thought the tech giant was done for the year, think again. Megaphone, the company, is gearing up to reveal more devices that could push the boundaries of mobile innovation. Crystal ball, what's still on the Samsung horizon? Coming later this year. A trifolding smartphone that might redefine portability and design standards. The classic fan edition refresh, loved by budget-conscious fans. And possibly the most exciting of all, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Samsung seems committed to keeping the momentum going and maintaining its leadership in both the smartphone and tablet markets. Whether you're a power user, creative professional, or casual consumer, this tablet might be worth waiting for. Bar chart: Tab S11 Ultra, leaks, renders and new certification. Leaked renders and certification details hint at an earlier than usual launch. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra has just made an appearance on Finland's SGS Fimco certification platform, revealing 3 device variants: SM-X936B 5G plus Wi-Fi, SM-X936N Wi-Fi only, SM-X930 South Korean variant. Battery enhancement: the tablet is expected to house a 11,600 mAh battery, which is a noticeable bump from the 11,200 mAh found in the previous Tab S10 Ultra. Charging speed: sticking with its 45W fast charging, the device doesn't follow the rumored leap Samsung might make with the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra, which may go beyond 45W. High voltage incremental gains are playing it safe? Many Samsung enthusiasts were hoping for a charging upgrade, especially with flagship phones aiming for lightning-fast speeds. But it looks like Samsung is leaning toward reliability, keeping the charging hardware consistent and familiar. While the battery boost is appreciated, this minor upgrade might not be a game-changer, unless Samsung compensates with improvements in performance and software experience. Brain under the hood: power and software rumors. According to insiders and tech leaks, the Tab S11 Ultra may be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, a bold move if true. It is likely to run Android 16, layered with Samsung's signature One UI 8 interface, offering a refined user experience. Though these details haven't been officially confirmed, they're adding to the hype and anticipation around Samsung's flagship tablet.